Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we will create a basic Python server which will help us to translate a text in the various languages, such as if we are giving any English language, then we can convert it into French, Hindi or any other languages. Okay, so what I have done till now, I have created just a main.py. Make sure that in your system Python is installed. Now next you need to install this package pip install Flask Google Trans equals to and the package version. Okay, so the once you have installed this and come to your main.py file and start creating your server. Okay, first we need to say from Flask import Flask and request comma JSONify. Okay, next we will say from Google Trans we need to import translator. Okay, after that we need to create an app and we need to initialize as Flask. After that we need to provide our name and we need to create an instance of translator. Okay, next we need to create our route, so we will say app.route method on the base URL we are saying method will be post, and after that we will say we are creating a function with the translate text and data is equals to request.get JSON, means whatever the data in body we are sending as a JSON format, so we will get here. Now we are saying language is equals to data.get and here we are saying language. Now next we are saying text is equals to data.get and the text whatever we want to convert. Okay, next we are creating a try catch, so we will handle here any error occurs. Okay, so we will say try translated is equal to translator.translate and we will say text and we will provide in which language we want to translate. Now next we will print the output, whatever the output we are getting. Now we are returning this data whatever we got in stringify. Okay, so JSONify. Okay, we are saying text translated dot text. Okay, now we are handling any error if any error occurs, so we will say here exception as e and we are returning the error message whatever the error we have got it. Okay, we are saying something went wrong and after that we are saying status as 400. Now we are initializing our app and we are saying app in name is equals to main and we are saying app.run and we will run it on debug mode. Okay, so this is a basic code. This will help us to do this task. Now what we will do, we will first start our server. Okay, for that I will say python main.py. okay, so this will start our server. It has started our server on this port. So what next I will do, I will come here and I will go to hopschock. Okay, and here I will say basically I will hit this I am fine. Okay, I am converting this to a Korean language. Okay, this is my base URL, the server URL, and I'm hitting. So within a minute, so sorry, within a seconds or like milliseconds it has given me output. Okay, now if I say if I want to convert it to in Hindi, so I will say hi and I will hit enter. So this is what we have got it an output and this is how the basic server looks like, and you can see and that's all guys. In this video we have seen how we can create a server in Next.js, in Python, how we can translate our so this you can add in your projects like resume and it will enhance your profile. So that's all for today guys. Hope you enjoy and we will catch up in next video. Thank you.